Okay, I'm in my Land Rover and I want to show you why I removed this headrest. It's because when I look in the rearview mirror here, I can see what's going on behind me a lot easier. That way when I turn around, I got a nice view right through there. Right through there. Right through there. See in there? This is where there used to be a middle headrest, and I've removed it. I'm going to show you how. I'm going to show you on this one. Step 1. This Land Rover Discovery 3 is rarely used to carry 5 passengers, so the middle headrest has been removed to improve visibility through the rearview mirror. Let me show you what I mean. You can see I've got a nice clear view now. I'll show you how I did it. Next step. Step 2. All 3 of the rear seat headrests can be removed using the same method. All 3 of these, that one, this one, and this one here, they all go on and off using the same technique. Next step. Step 3. Push the height adjustment button to release the mechanism and raise the headrest until it comes to a stop at the highest setting. Next step. Step 4. Push and hold the adjustment button and the removal button on the opposite side to remove the headrest from the seat back. Next step. Step 5. Note that it's a bit trickier in the middle headrest due to the seatbelt housing, so you may need another hand to make it easier. Next step. Land Rover Discovery 3 headrest removal. One of the reasons I like to do this is because then you got all this nice room here so you can kind of still grab stuff. Part of the reason I like to do that is this takes up a lot of space when it's in there, and if I'm going camping or on a long road trip, I like to be able to keep my boots and things there. So I'll just leave that at home, and I got this nice space here. Makes it easier to utilize that space, you know. You can do whatever you want with it, but anyways. Thanks for checking out the Land Rover headrest removal. Stay tuned for the next interesting tip using augmented reality to learn a bit about the Land Rover Discovery.